Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today in this session I am going to explain trick for electrochemical series, and this is very important in electrochemistry to remember standard reduction potential in sequential order. Values of standard electrode potential no need to remember, but different metals having different standard electrode potentials that we have to remember in increasing or decreasing order. But it is very difficult to remember all in sequential order, that is increasing order or decreasing order. That's why I made a trick to avoid confusion, and let me start to the electrochemical cell trick, that is electrochemical series trick. I am giving decreasing order of standard reduction potentials of different metals. Here I made some statements or some lines to remember easy, and I am starting with one line: little kid or kids. Little kids cannot, not you write NAT, cannot manage. Little kids cannot manage all zebra crossings. All zebra crossings. And another line: films, actually it is film, I written FE, could not seen publicly. And another line: cos mg. If you remember these three statements, it is easy to you all metals standard reduction potential decreasing order. I am giving here, this is decreasing order. Little lithium, kids potassium, can calcium, not I written NAT but NOT, sodium, manage Mg, magnesium, all aluminum, zebra, zinc, films, iron, could, CD you take, cadmium, not you treat as nickel, seen, SN, tin, publicly PB you take, lead, lithium, lithium, potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc. And here we have crossing. This is chromium. Crossing chromium. Clear? Now, this is the order. Lithium. This is the order you have to remember. Lithium, potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, chromium, iron, cadmium, nickel, tin, lead. And here we have cos Mg. This CO you take as copper, and S you take silver, and M you take mercury, and G you take gold, cos mg, like cos theta in mathematics. See here the order. Little kids cannot manage all zebra crossings. Films could not seen publicly, cos mg. And this is the order I am giving here. First, lithium, potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, chromium, iron, cadmium, nickel, then we have tin, and then you have lead. This is all are above hydrogen. So then you start here hydrogen. So hydrogen standard electrode potential is 0. Then cos mg. Copper, silver, mercury and gold. And this is the order you have to remember. See the statements or lines. Little kids cannot manage all zebra crossings. Lithium, potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, chromium. Films could not seen publicly. Iron, cadmium, nickel, tin, lead. And least reactive we have cos mg, copper, silver, mercury, gold. And this is the order. Remember, hydrogen standard electrode potential 0. The metals which are above the hydrogen are more standard reduction potential and below less standard electrode potential. And if you remember these 3 statements, you can do this very easily. One more time I am saying, little kids cannot manage all zebra crossings. You are getting now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 metals you are getting. Little kids cannot manage all zebra crossings. Films could not seen publicly. Here you are getting iron, cadmium, nickel, tin, lead. 5. 13 elements you are getting here. Metals. Last we have list standard reduction potential cos mg. Copper, silver, mercury, gold. And this is the way to remember. I think it is very useful for you. If you like my concept, please do subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and they will be benefitable. If anything you feel difficult in chemistry, make a comment. I will prepare the best tricks for your better future. Thank you.